Welcome to my fables. Subscribe for more books read aloud. Duck in the Fridge by Jeff Mack. Daddy, why do you always read me Mother Goose before bed?
Well, it all started when I found a duck in the fridge. That's right. One night, when I was a kid, I found a duck in the fridge. What a mess. When I went to get a towel, I found 3 more ducks. I tried to get ready for bed, but the ducks were everywhere. I couldn't brush my teeth, I couldn't put on my PJs, and worst of all, I couldn't sleep. I gave the ducks some crackers, but they ate them all. Then they ordered out for pizza. So I called 1-800-DUCK-BE-GONE. They sent me a special kit to scare away the ducks. The sheep just sat there watching TV. The ducks were not afraid. So I ordered a bigger, better, scarier kit. That didn't work either. The dogs stayed up all night playing cards. Meanwhile, the ducks and the sheep started their own band. There was only one thing left to do. Well, those cows didn't scare anyone, but they did throw a wild party. How would I ever get to sleep now? That's when I saw the light. Maybe I didn't need to scare them away after all. I opened the book and started to read. They seemed curious, so I read more. They liked it. They really liked it. I said, if everyone goes to sleep right now, I promise I'll read more tomorrow night. And guess what? They all went to sleep just like that. The next night I read the book again, and the same thing happened. Not only was it fun to read, but we all got plenty of sleep. So that's why I read Mother Goose to you every night. Good night, kiddo.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, everyone.
The end.